Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Nancy Pelosi's strategic investments in Intel and Bloom Energy, Cathie Wood's bullish stance on SpaceX, and Amazon's innovative terminal warehouse automation are making waves. Meanwhile, Tesla hikes Cybertruck prices by $5,000 in the U.S., and key market insights include Canada tariffs and Alibaba acquisitions. La Rosa Holdings regains NASDAQ compliance, Bank of Montreal announces a major share buyback plan, and IPO buzz surrounds Aura and Dunkin' owner. Stay tuned after the short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi has made investments in Intel Corporation and Bloom Energy. She bought 50 call options for Intel, which expire in June 2027, and acquired up to 10,000 shares valued at $1 million. Additionally, she purchased 15,000 shares of Bloom Energy along with 100 call options that have a $100 strike price.
Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has boosted its stake in SpaceX, making it a top holding in several of its exchange-traded funds. The ARK Innovation Fund holds $385 million in SpaceX shares. Other funds, like ARK Next Generation Internet and ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics, also have significant investments. Wood is optimistic about SpaceX's transformative potential beyond aerospace.
Amazon is developing Project Tetromino to automate delivery stations with artificial intelligence and robotics. A pilot facility is set for 2028, targeting package processing speeds 2.5 times faster than current stations. The company stresses that automation will support employees rather than replace them.
Tesla has raised the prices of two Cybertruck models in the U.S. by $5,000 each. The dual-motor all-wheel drive now costs $74,990, and the premium all-wheel drive is priced at $84,990. These increases are about 7.1% and 6.3%, respectively. Tesla has not provided an explanation for this decision.
The stock market had a mixed close on Monday. Technology shares pulled the broader market down. The S&P 500 fell by 0.3%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.3%. The NASDAQ Composite dropped by 0.8%. Key events on Tuesday include Zoom Communications earnings report, the 6-5 summit with top CEOs, and a merger vote for Olin and Huntsman shareholders.
Stock index futures increased as traders look forward to NVIDIA's results and inflation data. Canada is planning tariffs against the U.S. following Trump's threats. Alibaba executives purchased shares valued at $15.3 million. SpaceX plans to launch an AI satellite in 2027 using NVIDIA technology. Pelosi revealed trades in Intel and Bloom Energy stocks, while Tesla increased Cybertruck prices by $5,000.
La Rosa Holdings has addressed its NASDAQ listing issue by submitting a late quarterly report, now meeting NASDAQ standards. CEO Joe La Rosa highlighted their commitment to operational strategy and boosting shareholder value. Recent financials indicate a GAAP earnings per share of negative $72.03, with revenue at $13.57 million.
Bank of Montreal plans to repurchase up to 25 million common shares, which is approximately 3.6% of its public float. This will begin on September 8, 2026. The purchases will take place on the Toronto Stock Exchange and other Canadian trading systems until September 7, 2027.
Several companies are planning to go public soon. Aura, a smart ring maker, and Inspire Brands, which owns Dunkin', might go public by the end of the year. AI startup Anthropic is aiming for a $100 billion IPO, while UK-based Scale targets $3 billion. Market conditions will influence these plans. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates. Until then, stay informed and prosperous. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.